Hi everyone, my name is Trisa, you can call me Risa. Welcome to Anju Risa channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a face mask with filter pocket. So the first thing is, prepare 6-inch square fabric. This is for the filter pocket. I use cotton fabric, but you can use any fabric you want as long as it's comfortable for you. Fold this part about 1/4 inch and iron the fabric. Once again, I will do the same to the other side. Sew this part. Just like this. I will put this aside. Prepare another cotton fabric. We need 2 pieces of this. The size is 10 inch by 7 inch for adult or 7 inch by 5 inch for kids. I'll convert the size to centimeter. Mark about 2 inches from the edge or 1.5 inch for kids. Every corner. Draw a diagonal line like this. Then cut the fabric. I'm using a rotary cutter. If you don't have a rotary cutter, use a regular scissors. Prepare the fabric for our filter pocket. Place the fabric like this, and I will put this with the front sides together. I'm going to pin the fabric. Because the fabric are not at the same length, I'll join the fabrics like this. And sew this part. Clip around every corner. Turn the fabric inside out. If you love anything about handicraft, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. Take anything pointy like a pen, a brush to push every corner of the fabric. Pushing every corner like this will give you a nice and beautiful look. Then iron the fabric again. The key to make a beautiful face mask is to iron the fabric before sewing. If you want to insert a nose wire, you can insert it now from here and pin the nose wire, then sew this part. But because this face mask fits me very well, I don't want to use a nose wire, so I'll take this out and sew this part. About 1 millimeter to have a nice look. Fold the fabric about 1.5 inch, 1 inch for kids. Then iron the fabric. Measure about 1.5 inch. Fold about 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch for kids. I'll convert the size to centimeter on the screen. Now this part is a little bit tricky. Fold the fabric like this. And here. So when I sew the fabric, it will hold all the layers at once. We'll do it one more time. Fold about 3/4 inch. Fold this part. Just like this. I will pull the filter pocket because I want to sew this part. without sewing the filter pocket. So I'll give a quick view of this step, starting from here, all the way around, and back to the first stitch. I only sew this once to hold all layers together. Prepare the elastic band. You can use any size. Smaller elastic is more comfortable, so I will use this one. My size is about 8 inches or 20 centimeters, but some people say my face is a bit small, so you may want to add 1 or 2 centimeters. Now I will show you how to insert the elastic band with a safety pin. With the elastic band pinned to the safety pin, just slide it through the loop. If you have a loop turner, it will be easier to put the elastic band inside. Just put this inside and pull the elastic band. Make sure the elastic band isn't twisted and sew the elastic band. Slide the elastic band to hide the raw edges. You can insert any sort of filter material to this face mask, or you can comment down below which filter material you recommend to put inside this mask. And our face mask is finished. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and comment down what you don't like about this video. Or perhaps if you have any question, write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!